Morning po, magta-try po tayo ng Mountain Dew today. Yung Mountain Dew Zero po. But before I do that, may mga nagpapa-shoutout po. Shoutout po kay Teresa Tamayo ng Bacolod City. Thank you for watching. Reggie Guela, Quezon City. At saka kay Anwar Balangi, Alaminos, Pangasinan. So yun po, baseline po muna tayo. Hmm. 97. Tama-tama. So sige po, inumin ko po si Mountain Dew at babalik po ako after an hour. So as always, 200 ml lang po yung itatry po natin. Same with the other soft drinks that we've tested. Naka 1 hour na po, so kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. Meron din So 97 kanina, so 110, so that's plus 13 units. So balik po ulit ako after an hour and we'll see kung ano po yung magiging final blood sugar reading. Final blood sugar reading na po tayo. Mountain Dew Day. Yeah. Yun. Bumaba na po siya, 106. So, sobrang minimal naman po. Again, wala naman pong problema rin sa blood sugar spike, but of course, we have to be mindful na soft drinks po yan. So, may tama po sa kidney yan. So, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.